So today we are going to start a group discussion, and I hope you all know the topic that we are going to discuss. So it's all about job versus business. So job and business, this is one of the most confusing decision in our life. Whenever you will be completing your education, your graduation and everything, you will have two options, and some will choose that job, someone will choose a business. So today, from all of your perspective, in all of your opinion, that I want to know personally that what do you think? It's not what is best and what is not best. It's all about what do you think about that particular concept. So let me start our discussion, today's group discussion. So I would like to start from Sanjana. Okay, Sanjana, please take this mic. And I want to know your opinion about job versus business on this particular topic.
Thank you, sir. So first, I would like to talk about job. What is job actually? Actually, job mean when someone work under some company or someone.
Yeah.
So in job, your income always fixed.
Yeah.
And if I talk about why people choose it, if someone want stable career, he have responsibility for that. He want a minimum income in every month last.
So, okay, now who wants to give your opinion? Mustaq, would you like to? Okay.
Actually, sir, according to me, job means you work for someone else's dream. You're not working for you. You work for someone. If you want to work for your own dream, you need to pursue business. If you want to try to figure out problem, if you want to get answer about how to can I become a entrepreneur, who has a dream to become entrepreneur, he can go with business, with a startup. Or who has a, want to stable life, comfortable, he want to get a monthly salary, he can he can pursue job. That I think.
Okay, that's a good point of view that you have shared, that it's all about the dream, that if someone dreams about becoming a businessman or an entrepreneur, he should choose business, otherwise they can go for a job. Okay, so who would be the next speaker, who would be the next participant?
Sir, I would like to say something.
Yeah, please.
In my opinion, business more better than job, because if you get a job, you don't get freedom.
Okay.
In this job, and this job salary is fixed. If we think the business is get us freedom, because it's run with my idea.
Yeah.
And it's depend on my hard work.
That's enough. That's a very good opinion. Okay, so as he said that when we do business, we can make a lot of profit, and that is totally our own. And but in business, in job, we have one limitation. That limitation is the salary. That sometimes even if you work hard, but your salary actually does not grow that level. So that's one of the negative points of having job.
Sir, in my opinion, I see my brother actually.
Yeah.
He didn't wake up early. He didn't do for work for his himself, and but because of the family responsibility, he is doing a job.
Okay.
But now he is waking up morning. He is going to a far area to do that job.
Yes.
But after doing this job some years, he realized that actually job means everyone said that job means you do some work for someone else's dream.
Yeah.
And if my brother now my brother realized that if I do job, it's like for himself, his creativity and his talent will be gone forever.
Okay.
And now he wants to do something new, and he wants to do something by own self.
Okay.
Like YouTube, like some business,
Yes.
clothing business, and like that. So I think from like as a middle class family, we are forced to take job. But if we talk about our opinion, if I talk about our perspective,
Yeah.
then there is totally different.
Yeah.
Because job and business is totally different.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah,
Okay.
business is more better than job.
Okay, so business is always better than
Better
job,
job.
in your opinion.
Today, our topic is job versus business.
Yeah.
First of all, I think we want to know what is job.
Yeah.
In my opinion, job is a thing where we prepare in our life many years, and after we selected a job, we wake up in very early morning.
Yes.
and go office and return our home in 5 or 6 p.m. This is routine of
Of our daily life.
of our daily life who get a job.
Yeah.
In my opinion, it is a very boring thing.
Yeah.
Because a man who wake up early morning and go office and return.
According to me, both job and business have their own advantage and challenges.
Yeah.
Job give us stability, job secure, fixed salary and security. Many people have their own, started their own career, especially middle class family.
Yeah.
So he started their career with job, and job give us industry level experience,
Yes.
responsibility and discipline.
Yeah.
In the other hand, business give us independence.
Yeah.
Business also high risks for a beginning person. Instead of job versus business, I think business job is better than business is a beginning person.
So in our society, there have many people, and most people think job is better than business
Yeah.
because they don't have any risk, and they are fixed salary every month. And but I think business is more better than job because. In job you work hard more, but your salary not increase many times. But I think business is better than job.
Okay, so Shreya, so you want to say something?
Sir, I think job versus business both have pros and cons. And firstly, we have to understand that if I choose job, then I have a proper time schedule and proper salary. And firstly, we don't have a extra pressure after returning from our office.
Yes.
And whatever. But if I choose business, then we have to maybe we can get more freedom than job.
Okay, that's good. Okay, you would like to say, Alina? Okay, you carry on.
Sir, actually I think a middle class family's child, always her parents would like to say, my child want to get job. So a middle class family's child, they don't think I do business, always think I get a job. If you want to start a business, you have need to lots of money, but a middle class family parents don't have lots of money.
Yeah.
That's why they don't think for business.
Yes.
Always think I have a job, I want to get a job, it's enough.
Yeah.
I think we need lot of money, but we don't need investor.
Okay.
So I think in business we have to have money, but we don't want investor, because if we do job for some days or some years, we can collect or save some money, and
Okay.
we can start a business. And after doing that job, we get lot of knowledge and lot of experience, lot of confidence to do that business. For that,
Okay.
I think we don't need
Sir, with due respect, I totally disagree with her point.
Okay.
If you think that job needs business need minimal amount of money, that's not enough for any business. If you nowadays, if you want to start like a drop shipping business, you first of all you have to get that much money, like 3 to 4 lakhs. Then
Actually, Dada, he said that if I want to do drop shipping, then I have to have for 3 to 4 lakhs money. So drop shipping means there is no product. I need to store my products.
Yes.
So I see lot of drop shipper who start with 5,000 and 10,000. And if I do a freelancing on somewhere, and I can get 5 to 10,000 money, and I can start drop shipping.
Okay, so let's talk about job versus business and qualification and degree and something like that on this topic.
In job or business, everywhere we need degree, but not at all. We need skills. We also need in job skills, because in this generation, many of institution or companies firstly watch skills.
Okay.
After that, they watch degree or not, I don't know, but they watch skill. You have that skill. After that, they get that job to you.
So okay, that's good. So today's discussion, now we are concluding this discussion today, right in this at 6:15. So tomorrow we will be doing another activity. Okay, ঠিক আছে ক্লোজ অল, জাস্ট এটি করে দাও। ঠিক আছে, tomorrow, okay.